and welcome back to another episode of Minutes with Mandy. I am Mandy. Today we're going to do some FAQs, frequently asked questions that we get from you guys, the customers. So let's get into it. What is included with the purchase of this engine kit? So these engine kits come to us from the manufacturer already pre-packaged. The only thing that we have to do is double check, make sure everything's there. It has absolutely everything that you need to convert a pedal bicycle into a motorized gas bicycle. So it's a really, honestly, really good deal. You're not trying to find bits and pieces to make it work. It comes with everything that you need. It's an all-in-one kit. Now this doesn't include upgrade parts. Those are sold separately, obviously, because they are technically aftermarket. But we offer some upgrade parts for our Zetas. The Phantoms, we are hoping that one day we will get those upgrade parts, like an upgraded exhaust. I know a lot of you guys are asking about that. Hopefully one day we'll have that. As of right now, there are no plans at this current time. Do I get a warranty with this engine kit? Abso-freaking-lutely. There's a limited 6-month warranty. This doesn't include consumable parts, and this doesn't include misuse, and it also doesn't include any kind of damage incurred by the customer because of misuse. So bearings, throttle cables, brakes, all of that not included. Stripped bolts not included in the warranty. If you have an issue with your engine, you can always email us. You can always call us and ask. You have 7 days after receiving to open and inspect your package. If you find any damage on the package, any damage incurred by shipping on the package or onto the motor or the accessories themselves, document it. Take pictures, get in touch with us, and we will do what we can to get you up and running. We are here to help the customers. We have so many people on staff to help talk to customers and get them what they need to get you guys going and running and on your merry way, okay? If you're ever confused about the warranty, we have it posted on our website. Everything that's included is there. Everything that's not included is also there. With the warranty or refunds, the engines aren't returnable. Other parts, there is a 20% restocking fee. If it's just like you got it and you didn't like it and you want to return it. With that in mind, keep that in mind when you're purchasing from us, because we have to employ people to receive that package and inspect that package and put it back into stock. And so and we also pay return shipping as well within the first 30 days of you receiving your package if you want to return it. How is this engine kit shipped? So all of our engines, we have a partnership with USPS and UPS. We do send these engines worldwide. So the shipping is not refundable, unfortunately, but that is more or less to do with the fact that they have their job to do. That's what that shipping charge is. You're paying them for their job that they have to do. The job's completed. There's nothing to refund because they did their job. They got it to you. We ship with USPS and UPS because they allow us to send these motors out, honestly. How long do I have to wait before my engine kit ships? So when we have an item in stock, we send out all orders that are in stock the next business day. We work diligently to go through every single order, every single day, to make sure that there's matching parts. So you're not getting an engine and then getting parts for that engine that aren't going to work with that engine. And that is just to reduce the amount of returns so that you don't have to go through the hassle and so that we don't have to go through the hassle. We want to make sure you get what you need when you need it. They are pre-picked out, or they are pre-packaged, and we send them out next business day. So as long as it's in stock, you'll get a tracking number the next day after you place it. Now, it's a little different for Fridays because the next business day is Monday. We are closed on Saturdays and Sundays, so you want to make sure that if it's a absolute urgency and you need overnight shipping, don't place it on Friday because it's not going to go out until Monday. And there is a rush fee if you do want it rushed for same day shipping. It's $15, but you do have to call in and make that order if that's something that you wish to utilize. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this has been Minutes with Mandi. And if you guys have any questions you want answered, drop them in the comments below. And we will do them on our next FAQ video. We got a lot more to go. And we want to answer your questions and make you guys knowledgeable of everything that we know. Thanks for spending some minutes with me. Oh, that's my exit.